In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate in FigJam. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your board, find the right place to work, and send a clean invite so teammates can jump in and contribute in real time. Start by going to FigJam. Open the Figma app or the web version you normally use and make sure you're in the correct workspace or team so the files you expect are visible. FigJam boards live alongside your other Figma files, and you'll access them from the same dashboard. Now, locate the project or file you want to collaborate on. A quick way to get there is through the Recents view. Click Recents to see boards you opened lately. If you were working on the board earlier, it should appear near the top. If it's not in Recents, click Drafts. Drafts is where files you've created or are still polishing often live before they're organized into projects. Still not seeing it? Click All Projects. This view lets you explore the team's folders and find the board in its proper home. Take a moment to confirm the file name and thumbnails so you're opening the correct FigJam board, especially if you have similarly named files across different projects. Once you've found it, click the board to open it, give it a moment to load so all content renders fully. With the board open, head to the top right corner and click Share. That opens the sharing window where you'll add collaborators and manage access. In the invite field, type the person's work email address. Double check the spelling and domain to avoid sending an invitation to the wrong place. Depending on your organization's settings, you may see options for the level of access. Make sure it's appropriate for collaboration so they can contribute alongside you. When everything looks correct, click Invite. This sends a notification and grants access to the board. After sending, you'll typically see the invitee appear in the sharing list. When they join, their avatar will show at the top of the board, and you'll see their cursor and contributions in real time. If they don't appear immediately, give them a moment to accept the invite or refresh your board to update the participant list. And that's all it takes. You open FigJam, used Recents, Drafts, or all projects to find the right file, clicked Share in the top right, added the collaborator's email, and clicked Invite. Repeat this flow anytime you create a new board, and you'll be set up for smooth, fast collaboration from the very start.